What's up everyone, welcome to the club and thanks for joining me in today's drawing tutorial. In this lesson we'll be learning how to draw and color pink from Rainbow Friends. For this lesson we'll be drawing with a Sharpie fine point marker and drawing on top of plain white paper. Let's begin at the top of our page with those two large extensions for the eyes. Then leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes out and we'll just bend that up. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing, going out in the opposite direction and going up towards the same height. Now you want to round out the top of the eye, starting back on the left and go up and then bring that down on the outside, almost like drawing a large half circle. And do the same thing on the right. Now from here we want to taper this so it gets narrower as you come back in towards the head. So on the left, come straight down and then start to taper that in. Let's add two ovals along the top. From the left side, we're going to step down. Let's draw that oval, coming all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's trace each of these ovals along the inside. And we'll fill the center of the eye in black. Now the eyes are going to sit on top of the head. So from this bottom point, we're going to step up and out, draw a curve going up toward the top of the head, and then bring that back down. Now before we continue with the rest of the head, let's draw in the mouth. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's start with a straight line, going all the way across from left to right. Let's round out the corners of the mouth, going around and then in, again like a half circle. And then close off the bottom with another straight line. Now this character has some various sized teeth that are offset. So we're going to start on the top row. Let's start on the left, go down, across, and then up. Almost like drawing a square. Let's leave a gap. We're just going to angle this down and in, go across, and then back up. I'm just going to repeat this all the way over towards the right. Just adding these various size and length teeth. And then we'll draw the bottom row. Let's start back on the left side and go up, across, and then down. Now we can always leave a little gap in between the rows of teeth. Now with the teeth in place, we'll go back and fill the inside of the mouth. Now that we've drawn in the mouth, we can go back and finish off the head. Let's start underneath the left eye. Start by coming straight down and then bend that out. Let's curve around the mouth, come down and in. And then we'll add a fold across the bottom of the head. So on the left, we're going to step out, bend this in, and then back out towards the hip. Now we're going to work our way down towards the bottom of the legs. Let's start from the left hip, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the knee. And then we'll go back to the left and bend the leg coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Come down and then back up. From the inside of the leg, we're going to follow that same curve, going up and then in towards the inside of the knee. And then connect the inside with a curve, going up the middle, and we'll bring that back down. And once we finished our drawing, we'll go in with a bright pink and fill in the entire head and body. So we go around the eyes. And once we finish coloring this in, we'll be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color pink from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.